It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. Happy Candle Day, day 2. I got lots of news for you guys. So I got in the store. Check it out. I got my collectible Bath & Body Works Candle Day bag. I like getting the bag every year. I'm like, give me the bag. I got my tea. I actually got, if you're from the Cleveland area, I got Winking Lizard for lunch. I was so happy. So everything really worked out well for me today, aside from the weather. So we leave the house and the wind is just blowing like crazy. I mean, I can hardly keep the car on the road. The lights are out everywhere. I'm driving to the mall. All the traffic lights are out. I'm like, uh-oh, the mall's gonna be closed. Luckily, the mall was all lit up. I'm like, yay. I got in there about maybe like 11:15. I think I just hit the really good sweet spot. I'm gonna put a screenshot up here of the mall. You can see there's no people there. There were some people in the store shopping, but it wasn't like overly crowded. I didn't feel like claustrophobic. I didn't feel like it was overly germy. I had my mask on, of course, because of my husband, but it wasn't terrible. I was first in line to check out. I mean, I got through the line really fast, so I wasn't even in there that long. So I went in there hoping I would find the blueberry marshmallow bar, the pistachio and toasted vanilla. We did not have any of those candles. From what I understand, what's happening is that if a store runs out of Christmas candles, then they start putting those out. Our store had a really decent stock left. I gotta say, our store is huge, but they had a lot of Christmas candles, more so than I'm seeing online. So if you don't see what you want online, I would go into the store, because right now there are only 67 items online right now in candles. That's really low. And a lot of these are showing as sold out. So I really feel like the store is probably going to be your best bet for getting what you want. Because online there's hardly anything left. I'm like, oh my goodness. So as I walked into my store, I'm going to put a screenshot up. I saw the wrapping paper candles. They had all those. Of course, I got another vanilla balsam. I love this one so much. I love the wrapping paper. I could see, I kind of like stood back and watched a little bit what people were buying. A lot of people were grabbing these. A lot of people love, Merry Cookie. They're like, oh, Merry Cookie. Another collection that my store actually had were those tropical candles. So, the Warm Ocean Breeze, the Mahogany Coconut, the Pink Watermelon, Coconut Sandalwood, Island Margarita, and Tiki Beach. I also saw Ocean Driftwood. I was not interested in any of those. I'm not ready for tropical. I want like some of the newer ones, like the marshmallow, the blueberry marshmallow bar. I'm hearing tomorrow those could start showing up. Of course, Candle Day's over then. We're not going to get the $9.95 price point. But a lot of people look happy. I'll have to say, like, everybody was like, ooh, candles. I did a poll on my channel, and I'm actually gonna go over the results. Right now, 1,000 people voted. I'm gonna go over the results when I do my Candle Day wrap-up video. So if you want to go to my community tab and participate in the poll, I basically was curious to know how people feel about Candle Day this year. And, the answers were all over. I have a theory on this, but I will discuss that in my Candle Day wrap-up video. But right now, I want to dig into my candles. I'm so excited. So I did get 12 free candles from Bath & Body Works. They sent me 12 previous to Candle Day to get ready. I'm so thankful for that. So I have those 12. I ordered another 11 or 12. I can't remember online that are coming. And then I also, I got seven today. I got 7 today. And then I also have a haul later. My 425 body mist haul came. I gotta share that with you guys, which includes some candles. That's where the red velvet cupcake is. So one of the candles I got is 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. I wanted to get this one for my mother-in-law for Christmas. So I got one of those because she's going to love that pattern. I think a lot of people are buying this just for the packaging. It's so giftable. I got Paris Cafe. I got my Paris Cafe. I gotta say, this one does smell good. It's funny because I haven't been into coffee scents as much this year. But after I smelled Paris Cafe, I'm like, Paris Cafe's back. I don't know, my whole coffee thing's coming back now. This is the best coffee candle that Bath & Body Works has ever put out. And I was really happy. They had a ton of them at my store. They had like 40 of them. I mean, the whole, like, Paris Cafe everywhere. I also got Pineapple Mango. This is the only tropical one that kind of piqued my interest. It's sold out online. Oh, this smells so good. I'm like, when it's snowing and, you know, I can't get out of my house because we have like 2 feet of snow, I'm going to light up Pineapple Mango and pretend that like I'm on a beach in Hawaii. Strawberry pound cake. I got my strawberry pound cake. I'm so happy. I missed out on this one online, so I was super happy to get my White Barn strawberry pound cake. This smells so good, you guys. You know me, this is my desert island scent. I needed another strawberry pound cake. I'm hearing that we're getting like these kind of I don't know, they look like almost like 60s psychedelic jars that have like a holographic label. Strawberry pound cake's supposed to be part of those. I don't know when they're coming though. Again, things are rolling out a little bit slowly, but everything it should all show up soon. Christmas candles, I think, are, you know, the candles that are selling out quickly. I got my cinnamon stick in Waikiki Beach Coconut. I have this coming online. I wanted a second one. This one is so good. I mean, I am so impressed with this candle. It's vanilla French coconut. It's fresh coconut cream, a dash of nutmeg, and cinnamon stick. It is good. I love this one. I did not get the blueberry sugar and lemonade one. I should have. I don't know what I was thinking. You know how like you get confused in the store. I was so focused on the cinnamon stick. Actually really excited about this one. I may light this one up today. I'm so curious to see if this one is good burning because I love it cold. I do have the sugared lemonade and blueberry sugar coming in my online order. And the final candle I got, I was talking about this one yesterday. Remember sugared lemon zest? I was like, I missed it online. Oh my gosh, I love this candle so much. My store had a lot of White Barn. And I'm really happy that I got 3 of the White Barn. So I got Paris Cafe, Strawberry Pound Cake, and Sugared Lemon Zest for $9.95. Plus, I had a coupon. So I did, let me do the math on these. I did $9.95 times 7 minus 10 equals divided by 7. I got my candles for $8.52, which I felt like that was a deal. I was excited. If you get 5 in a grouping, it's going to be a little bit less. So definitely use those 10 off coupons. But I was like super excited to get sugared lemon zest. I'm like, yay, I got that one. So overall, really good haul for me. The store looked great. Everything looked beautiful. They did have a ton of French baguette. I thought, it's funny, I was so wrong, you guys. I thought French baguette and unicorn sprinkles were going to sell out quickly. What's selling out are obviously the glass lid candles. I just found my Fireside. That one sold out really early. Where did I put Fireside? It's funny, I just rearranged all of my candles again yesterday, and I don't know where I put Fireside. I want to review that one for you guys in the glass lid. I don't know what I did with it. It's around here somewhere. Fireside was amazing. Winter Candy Apple with the glass lid. Absolutely wonderful. So those were like gone. Frozen Lake, the Cedarwood and Suede. I think I have another Cedarwood and Suede coming. I did get that one online. I think I got that one early. But really what was selling out fast were a lot of the Christmas candles. So even online, I'm seeing, I mean, there's a decent amount of stuff left. I mean, even though there's only 67, I would go fast. I think by tonight it's now down to 66. You can get your classics. You can get your Fresh Balsam, Vanilla Bean Noel, Twisted Peppermint, Champagne Toast just sold out. French Baguette is still available. Like, that did sell out. 'Tis the Season, Tree Farm, Merry Cookie. I highly recommend picking up Those online exclusives like Blush Poinsettia, Red Velvet Cupcake is one of my favorites. I'll have a video on that in a minute. Oh, spiced gingerbread. Oh, get a spiced gingerbread and the spicy the spicy candle, the stripy candle. Boy, I'm really messing up today, aren't I? Marshmallow Fireside. There's a lot of classics online, but a lot is sold out. So anyway, I am so excited I get in the store today. I will be back in a few minutes because I got a haul to do with more candles. So I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.